yes, I'm happy, you know. I didn't have for many years time to look at my old collection and all these things, and I'm in the favor of buying some new piece of hardware, which is that this floppy ammo, and now you store basically all your disk and everything on that and use it whenever you want. Before, you know, it was on this one, you know. Look at that size. Look at this comparison, And before, I had this card. It was IDE card. It was made from Joachim Lange. It was an old friend from me at the time. And bloody hell, this is a package of this I had when I was young. And then I did print on everyone. We had a little software. You reset and then you booted the software, and then you could print out the labels of a screenshot or wherever you stopped your game, whatever, and you got these nice screenshots. And on all printers they emulated the distance between the needles, so they did not advance a full, so they advanced always in some stops, in some third or whatever, and printed in between them, you know. Oh, look, it's nice. And God. And then for the 2GS, and that here, it was in conjunction with the IDE card, you know. Wow! And so nowadays, God, this, and inside of that guy, there is the CFFA card, version 2.0, not yet the 3000, I don't have. And it all fits on a tiny bit. All these collections, they fit on a tiny bit, you know. Oh, here, another. I'm sorry, this is, it's a bit messy here. Oh, look. Saxon. Sorry, I don't have so many originals. Well, hey, it's just to say, I love it, you know. Those things are still working. And we can squeeze it all on a tiny chip, you know, in the size of my thumbnail. Cheers.